Hello, welcome to my Chinese cooking at home. And today I'm going to show you how to cook a steamed fish, which is very easy. And here's something all I need: a fish, coriander, spring onion and garlic, ginger and some black pepper, salt, soy sauce and oil. So now I'm going to spread salt and black pepper on the whole body of this fish. So next I will put on some ginger, spring onion and garlic on this body. So it's ready. When the steamer is ready and it can be cooked, put the fish into the steamer and put on the lid. Now we are going to be wait about 8 minutes. After that, we turn off the heater, turn off the fire, wait another 5 minutes. The pot, and I will put on some soy sauce, coriander, and very hot oil here. There are some hot pepper. So this steamed fish is ready and we can have it.